Hello and welcome to another video. I wanted to show you my DIY DC voltmeter and ammeter. Basically, this is an inline device which sits in between your source power and your load, which are these fairy lights. And we are able to tell what voltage the source is and how many amps I'm pushing through. And it has its own power supply. It's a little 9-volt battery with USB chargings, lithium ion. And that means I can measure basically from 0 to 100 volts. This voltmeter ammeter can only be powered by, I think, between 3 and 30 volts. So if you plugged in a 40-volt device, it would basically kill this thing. So if I turn this on, we've got 4 volts from this pack. If I turn it off, showing 0. So 4 volts is what I'm getting from that battery pack. And once I plug this in, hold on a second. So as you can see, I've turned on the fairy lights. We've now dropped down to 3 volts and we are pulling 0.43 amps. So this is especially handy for measuring your DC devices, and if you want to replace a power brick or you want to power it via batteries or whatever the reason, this is a really awesome device which can identify the voltage and the current requirements. So yeah, this is just a J-Car Jiffy box. This is a voltmeter ammeter module from Amazon. It was actually about $7 Australian for 2 of them. And this is just a little rocker switch. I think it comes to about $2 each. And we just got some DC male and female plugs, really cheap. You can find them at your local J-Car with screw terminals that make it really easy. And this is just a salvaged DC cable that I cut and used. So there we have it, my DIY voltmeter ammeter. Catch you in the next video.